something I hadn't come across before, Postman. Tell us what that is.
Well, I was just, creating calls and getting responses back, and I would look inside the developer tools inside of Chrome. And that's how I was doing my development. But when I came on this team, they already had a subscription to Postman, and they were using Postman because it has a nice GUI, and they use the graphical user interface to, okay, here's the address, here's the variables we're sending this as a post or a GET request. And then they had a thing that showed what came back, which was sort of neat because it was all in one interface. Plus, we could actually save these. So all these different requests, we could save them. Well, I kind of like that because, we could, and then I found out, and this is part of the paid version, if you're doing a team, that when I save that request for reusing, someone else can use that also. So we could share all those things and build up a library. Well, since I started, they started adding things like folders so we could organize them. In their last 6.0 update, they even have workspaces. So you have workspaces with set little collections with subfolders inside of that as deep as you want. And another thing they put inside there is environments. So I'm sitting here building this whole thing up, and I'm running it against my local dev laptop. But then we push it up to our common dev thing where we make sure everything we're doing is working together, or our QA, and I can create different environments, and all I do is swap the environment and run the test against that other system. So that became very handy because swapping back and forth, being able to share with a team, this put us on a whole new level for building APIs together.
So the issue this is solving is that when you write or consume an API, you're sending either XML or JSON or some complicated piece of HTML that's not very human readable.
No.
And what this does is it lets you capture that, be able to read it, debug it, see what's going on, replay it if you want to, share it with other people. So
a history feature, you can replay it. So that they added that too, and that's part. As I've got into Postman, that they're only, I don't know if they started in 2012 or 2014, but they do such a good job. They have over 3 million users.
Wow.